Oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry, I was just like drinking water. It almost ran down the wrong pipe, you know? Okay. So I did see that I did see that the Primogen was doing a YouTube stream, which is interesting. Um okay. All right. Look, I'm making memes about OCaml and stuff, but like who cares, right? Who cares? I'm still out here writing Rust. I'm the only one. I'm the only one left on tech Twitter still writing Rust. Um, that's fine, you know. All right. So yesterday, I got this working. Um, I did have it going to the URL, like changing the URL, but then I was like, forget the URL. Safari's default actually is to don't show the URL websites. No, tabs. Um, always show website titles and tabs. Yeah, why would you not do that? Oh, compact. Oh shoot, maybe I'll go compact. Yeah, maybe I'm into that. I don't know why I switched back. Oh, because it looks broken. No, but Safari's default does not even show the URL. Um, it's privacy advanced. Show. You have to go to advanced and click show full website address, right? Um, before like otherwise you'll just see Twitch, right, or YouTube, which is what people care about. You know what I mean? Like the web has changed, and we should change too. We need to change. We need to do better. Um, so anyway, I was like, oh, I wonder if I can do this, right? I wonder if I can, when I refresh, like load from the state, right? So when if I click home, the state has changed, and that's stored in local storage, right? So I had this app state thing. The route is done. We're done with the route. We started with route, but I moved to app state. So you can see here it says route index, right? Username, hello there. So if I go to login, it changed to login, and now it still says hello there. As I delete, it gets deleted from local storage, right? Um, so if I refresh this, right, it goes back. Once the JavaScript loads, it goes back. So the last missing piece would be no delay, right? Server side render. So every 500 milliseconds, sync the app state local storage to a session ID in the database. And then when I server side render, pass those in as props, right? Um, it's a lot. I'm not doing the best job. I it's kind of hacky right now. But I'm starting to think of a way to like unify it. So, oh, I'm not gonna tweet. I'm not gonna tweet that I'm live. My whole Twitter turned into like I'm live on Twitch. Just know that between the hours of 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. Mountain Time, I will be online for 1 hour. I will be on Twitch for about an hour, hour and a half. Um, and it's like I don't just want to keep saying, "Hey, I'm live," and like I don't tweet enough, so it just turned into like, "Oh, I'm live again," like the next day, right? Um, yeah. All right. So this is what I did, right? It's kind of a hack, and I started to really get into it. Um, where I generate defer impl to okay. What can I do here? What can I do? Debug. I guess it can't do it for me, right? Okay, so I started to get really into it. Like each component gets its own little state, right? So it's kind of like Fermi, right? I'm pretty sure um, nightly. I'm pretty sure Fermi has a thing in here, sharing state, lifting state, meme component. I love how that's the example. I love that's the example. It's so good. Div style. Oh, this is interesting. Inline styles. Shoot, that's really interesting. Oh wow, if I cover this, it sounds horrible. Wow, I did not know that. All right. Um, yeah. So this is not really like upbeat like I thought it would be. Outrun. Let's try outrun. Did I try this already? Oh, I listened to this. I did like that one. Okay. 5 years ago. A stamp collector? What? What? All right. All right. So this there's a dioxus has a thing called Fermi, which I'm not sure if they're still using, right? It's in here somewhere though. Let me see. Hooks and component state maybe? Use state, blah blah blah, rule of hooks, blah blah blah. Use ref. Okay, let me see. Dioxus Fermi. It's a like global state atom thing. Can I? Okay, where? GitHub. They're just moving so fast, and I don't even have a revision on the master branch. I'm just using whatever they push. I'm just using it. um, I guess if it breaks, then I'll just set a revision, right? I think that's actually a better way to do dependencies. Is just always get the latest code, and then just like roll back if it fails. All right, so let me go to Fermi. Yeah. So the idea is like you have this global state atom, and then you can use it um, here, and then you can just do that, and then you can set the value too, right? So now you don't have to think about props and stuff. So it's global mutable state, essentially, but the mutability is like through you can like see where you change it. I think that's fine. I honestly think that's fine. I mean, SQLite's global mutable state, right? Okay. So yeah, we can update the atom's value based on itself. We can also set the value also from anywhere. I bet this works with Dioxus Web because it was weird with live view, but I think with Dioxus Web it's probably fine. Anyway, yeah. So use atom state. We can update the atom's value based on itself. Oh, interesting. Okay. That probably only works with things that are copy, right? It's that simple. Cool. So you have to use the master branch? No problem. No problem there. Yeah, but there's like a lot of stuff. Um, okay, so that was updated last month. Added with mute silent. Unsubscribe and force update functions. Okay. So it is being worked on. Up D. Add mute self write silent. This is a silent operation. Oh. Yeah, so like it's supposed to keep track of the state and like every time you use it here, right? CX gets changed. So anytime CX render gets called, this thing is going to be re-rendered. Not the end of the world. Yeah. So we're gonna try this, and I think I'm gonna ditch the local storage stuff for now. I mean, it's a nice. I do like this. I do like this, right? I do like this, but I have to think more about how I'm gonna do it. Um, you know, about how I'm gonna like I'm a login. I gotta think about how I'm gonna like do this bit here. Yeah, but I do want this. Like, I think keeping the app state in a global variable mutable and like serializing it to local storage and then every 500 milliseconds serializing that based on the session cookie to the database. And then when you refresh the page, because you don't need, we don't need URLs where we're going. You know what I mean? We don't, where we're going, we don't need URLs. We got the, what was that stupid thing? Back to the Future. It was like the garbage thing, garbage to nuclear power. What was it? What was it called? The state of nuclear energy. No, Back to the Future movie. Um, yeah, it was this thing right here. This thing right here. It was like a Mr. Fusion, like 5,000 or so. Oh, that's what it was. It was like a Mr. Fusion. Mr. Fusion. Mr. Fusion. I think that's just what it's called, right? Someone actually made it. So good. Yeah. This is what I want. I want this home energy reactor. And then when it melts down, like, dude, forget it. Who cares? It's not gonna melt down. Don't even worry about it. All right. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this for now, and we'll see if it works. Because I don't passing event handlers up through the component. Like, okay, so I guess like we say components, but what we really mean is like reusable components that wrap HTML stuff. And then we have like app components that like are unique to our app. Um, and so like the reusable components we just have are dumb. They just have props, right? And probably some CSS or whatever. That's what I'm doing. And then, I mean, this is just basic React stuff. So yeah, but I think this will do it for me. Um, it is similar to signals though. I will say that. I will say that. But I think it's more complicated, but that's all right. All right, let's do it for me. Let's see if it works. Oh, let me get rid of the stuff that I was doing. Hold on. Git switch. Oh, what did I do? Glue storage, which it's cool that I found out about glue storage, right? Okay, yeah, I think I can get rid of all this stuff. Oh, no, I cannot. All right, let's just go one by one here. Let's just delete what I did. Let's just undo what I was doing. Yeah, use persistence is gone. This front end back end split thing is gone. And then initial state for the route is gone. What am I going to do though in the meantime? I guess I will just do the route, right? Partial state like is better than none, right? So I'm going back on what I said like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. All right, whatever. Let's just do it. Yeah, let's just do it. It's fine. All right. Router props. Yeah. Okay. CX props route. Clone. And then at least we will. Oh, but then I have like push state problems, right? That was my main thing. Um, Wait, maybe I'll just do it without changing the URL, right? Yeah, let's just do that. All right, that works. So if you come at it with like login, but then you click login and refresh, it's gonna look broken. It's gonna look broken for sure. Okay. Yeah, I don't know like how much this even matters. Like honestly, let's just forget the routes for now, right? We'll just say we'll just always say route index, right? And then we don't need router props anymore. I mean, I guess if you specifically go to login, I don't know. It's weird. Like if I treat my app at work like an app, and I like somehow it gets saved as login, and I'm always going to login. But it's weird because it's like that's not what I want to do necessarily. I don't know. Whatever. We'll just leave it. We'll just leave it. We don't need this anymore. We're done with router props. I got a little overzealous there. Actually, yeah. I guess if you go to login, no, that's dumb. We're just gonna have one. We're just gonna have one thing, and the state will always be the same. Because I guess like for this one, you basically just want to go to the homepage and like see new stuff. Like you don't necessarily care to like navigate around with like routes necessarily, right? Yeah, like you don't really care to like go back to where you were, I guess, you know? Yeah. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay. I really need dioxus format to do this. I'm sure there's a way in Helix. All right, what else did I do? App state is done. All right. Okay. And then I think after I will change it to use Fermi. I also don't really care about the username right now. It's not like a thing that I care about really to keep in state, I don't think. So we'll just change this to username. Yeah, right? Oh no, because I guess like I'll use a server function, so I'll keep it. I'll keep it. I guess I could stick it in a form and then just do on submit. I could do that. That's even easier, right? Yeah. I guess it depends if I'm like trying to move fast or not, right? Because I have button on click here. I could even make that optional, right? And then I can use it with a form. Yeah, I might just do that actually. Oh, is my audio like really low? Here, I'll turn it up just a little bit. There we go. Okay. I guess I can move the mic closer, but I feel like it's the right distance. Okay. So yeah, let me just do this with just forms. So I can just use forms if I don't even care, right? Form. On submit move e on submit dot call e. Wait, we'll just have on submit. And then button, this needs to be an option, right? Oh my gosh. And then this needs to be if let sum on click equals on click on, we'll just say click, we'll call it click. Or we'll just call it c dot call. Move e c dot call e. Then we could just say let if let on click. We're just gonna reassign. That's how we roll. Okay. Oh, I always have to actually do this. Move E, right? And then in here, we can do that. There we go. I mean, does it matter if I return this or not? Oh, I guess it does. So I just do that maybe? Oh, this. C.call E. There we go. Okay. What else did I break? This one. On change is optional. Let's just not even do that. Let's just get rid of this. And then values done. And then we're only going by name. Oh, value's done, right? That's done. Okay. What else did I change? Change. Oh. Yeah, we can just delete all of this. Yeah, I like this one. I like this one actually. And then this is just nothing, right? And this is also form here. On submit, let on submit equals move e to do. What else broken up here? What's broken? Oh, right. Yeah, so that's done, right? That's also done. Let on submit equals move e on submit. Oh, this is just to do for now. All right. Okay. Yeah. I am amazed at how much repetition there is in programming, actually. Now, especially Rust, right? This doesn't take router props anymore. It's always going to be home. Forget you, right? We're just moving fast and we're like ignoring all the good stuff that dioxus gives us. Okay, so that's done too, right? What else is broken? Oh, this here too? Oh. Yeah, that means I only need index now for my dynamic routes, right? Dynamic. Where's dynamic routes? What the heck? Dynamic routes. Oh, it doesn't. Did I delete it? Oh, that's not like a thing, right? Everything else. I called it everything else. Yeah. Yeah. I was doing this, but like, yeah, we're just not gonna do that. It's not even worth it for me right now. Okay. What else? Everything else is done. Because we're not doing URLs anymore. I've decided. Executive decision. What's this? Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Let's see if it runs. Okay. Let's see how far I can get without Fermi maybe. Oh my gosh, I broke that. Oh. Right. That makes sense. But you just do gap 2 on this. There we go. Same thing on sign up. Yeah. Oops. There we go. Yep. Let's see. Looking good. Okay. Okay, now I'm actually gonna do like stuff, and maybe I'll like go back and like change this or something. I don't know. Whatever. I have instructions here, right? Create an account in the database, right? So I already have the backend thing set up, right? Which is nice. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so create an account in the database, handle duplicate unique index name errors, create a session in the database, set a session ID in the cookie, return the account. Okay. Usually what happens though is like a session cookie is given out on page load, but like, do I care? And like you sort of like associate an account with that session, but I don't really care. Like you can be completely anonymous if you're logged out. Like I guess I don't really care, right? Um, yeah, but I think for like the middleware, maybe it makes sense to have the sessions. Okay. All right. Let me. I have to do this manually too. I mean, there's axum extra, which I might actually use. Axum extra. We've got cookie. Enables the cookie jar extractor. Modules. Let's look. Oh, middleware. No. Extract. We've got cookie, right? There's a cookie jar. Grabs signed cookies from the request and manages the jar. I mean, if I just have the session in the database, I guess it doesn't matter if it's signed or not, right? If it's a nano ID, you know? I actually do like it without the URL. Like, do I really care? I guess. Like, I guess I don't, right? Because there's always extra navigation to like get you where you want to go. Um, but I guess like if I refresh this, I guess it is nice to like have it refresh. I don't know, because if I refresh this, ugh, ugh, I got rid of my, I got rid of my routes too. Yeah, I do want this to be like Ajax-ish though, but then it's like, dude, I should just use HTMX. Yeah, but I have my enum routes, so I've already gone down this road. All right, all right. Cookie jar. No one knows on Twitter that I've streamed. I think I, I think I've been on like 5 days in a row, which is like huge for me. It's only an hour a day, you know. Hour a day keeps the. I don't know what it keeps. I have no idea. Okay. All right. Um. Okay. Let's just do it. Do I need cookie jar though, or should I just do like a typed header situation? Jar session ID authorize and create session blah blah blah. Authorize the user and create a session. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it does look good, like higher level. What's the alternative? I guess, right? Tokyo RS Axum. I was just saying I don't like URLs. Cookie extractor issues. Cookie support 2021. Extract cookie. Request uses cookie RS, blah, blah, blah. We already provide an integration with headers, which provides typed headers. It has a cookie header that can be extracted using typed header, like so. Typed header cookie, typed header cookie. Do you think this fits your use case? Cookie get key. In general, I'm trying to be conservative, which creates acts and provides specific integrations for. I'd rather provide good tools that users can use to build exactly what fits their app. Specifically, I'm talking about from request. I haven't looked at cookie RS. I think cookie has a decent bit, and then just using cookie header, parsing, formatting, notably around encrypted cookies. Doesn't allow constructing a cookie header, but I guess we'll need some other helper crate for that. And I want to ask how to set a cookie. You can include a set cookie header in the responses. Okay, and then it was closed. Where was it closed? Oh, right here. Okay. All right, let's look. Okay. Let's see. Header. Wow, they really are really low level, right? I guess I should just use Axum Extra because they actually did solve that problem. All right, let's cargo run example sessions. Wow, look at that header value. Header value from stir. I mean, I guess that's all you need, right? Technically, that's all you need, right? If you just keep your cookie super simple, right? Um, but yeah, and then you just use the browser defaults, like you don't set path or anything. Interesting. I mean, I guess like if you only have one cookie, you don't need a cookie jar. Otherwise, how does it look? Cookie jar, jar add, and then you have this like state, right? Oh, there is no state. It's like it's just a cookie jar, and it's like built in. Oh shoot, has my thing been going off? Okay, no, thank goodness. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I guess like cookie new and then you like redirect, right? Updated jar must be returned for the changes to be included. Oh, it doesn't really do too much. Okay, I'm just gonna do what they do then. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's just try sessions first. Let's just skip all this stuff and just see if I can make a session. Okay. So let's do this. Man, I never do like it's crazy like how I'm willing to do like do solve problems. Okay, let me see. Typed header. Um okay, so if I was going to use a server function, server cx, I'm going to need those headers, right? I'm going to need those headers. So we're just going to extract here, right? Typed header. Is it still around? Typed header cookie. Typed header cookie. Let's see. Let's see. Interesting. I wonder if maybe I don't have it as a oh my goodness. Is it a feature? Is it they put it behind a feature flag? Let's go with the axum actually. Let's go back to axum. Axum. Headers. What do I have? Form, matched path, original URI. I don't have headers. Wow. I mean, I guess everyone gets their own, like, it's trying to keep the compile times low. I guess, like, I don't know, man. I don't know. Let me see. Axum, features, headers. Oh, it won't do it because I have this. There we go. But I think it already grabbed it. Oh, maybe not. So fast. So fast, they didn't even know. They didn't even know. Okay. All right. You're not updating fast enough for me. Come on. We got to get in here. We got to get this. Um, all right. Oh, wow. It's still not. Dude, are you serious right now? Where is typed headers? Where are typed headers? Where? Okay. All right. Great. Oh, no, I do want docs, right? Mm, create documentation. Oh, I do want. Yeah, here we go. Um, okay. Modules, headers, extract, common extractors, typed header. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. I was gonna lose it. All right. There we go. And we also have, oh, we now have cookie. Okay. All right. Okay, so we're gonna need cookie, I guess. Cookie, which I don't think I can serialize. Let's look at it. Clone, debug, but not serialize. Okay, we're gonna need our own cookie thing, right? Struct session ID string. Okay, so we're gonna need session, which is the session. Maybe it's optional, you know? Maybe it's an optional session. Yeah, I mean, maybe that's a thing if there's a session, right? Oh, I put that in the back end, but I guess I have to put it not in the back end. Okay. Session. Oh. Oops. Wait. Cannot find value session in this scope. Cannot find value session in this scope. Oh, right. So I wonder if I can impulse session in the module. I wonder if I can do that. Because it's in a different module. No way. Really? Wow, that's pretty cool. Even though the struct is in a different module, you can implement it for under a compiler flag. I guess that makes sense, but even in a different module too? Wow. This thing doesn't miss a beat, you know? That's incredible. All right, let's see. Cookie, header defined, blah, blah, blah. If the user agent does not attach a cookie to the header field, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's just zoom out so I can actually see this thing. Oh, that was all there was. Okay. Let's zoom back in. There we go. Okay, cool. So the cookie has, what does it have? What does it have? Into get, look up a value for a cookie name. Oh, it's actually multiple, right? It could be multiple. Okay. So we'll do cookie get session, right? Or we'll just call it ID. Let cook if let sum and we'll just say like we'll just call this from, even though there's like impulse and stuff and I should probably do some impulse stuff and like some type stuff, but like, oh well. If let sum else, then we could say, what is cook now? Cook is a string. Okay, that's just the nano ID. It's going to be the nano ID, I guess. So let me add that. Cargo add nano ID. Optional? I don't think I need it on the, I don't think I need it on the front end. All right. Okay, so cook, and we can say use nano ID, and I'm sure I can like parse. I wonder if I could just serialize the nano ID. Yeah, I guess technically I'm not going to verify it yet. I can just do this. Cook dot cook to string. All right, I can just do that. None. Option. Self. Oh. Oh, jeez. Some. None. Oh, it does. Oh, it still doesn't. Oh. Okay. Okay, yes. All right, what else is broken? Nothing? Okay, cool. So now I have this like session, right? What was my thing I was doing again? What was it? Okay, so set the session ID in a cookie. Oh, I have to do that. So now I have this, right? So now I can just say s. What do I really want to write here, though? I probably want to write session. I mean, if this is just like functions, maybe I can have server functions and then functions on the back end, right? Now, do I really care to do that? Not really. Session, and we could do pub. Well, it doesn't matter. Okay, as X session, I need to set the session. So I would need to wait, this is probably not going to work in a server function because I have to actually change the headers of the response. But this one, the response is always the same. Okay, all right. I wonder, actually, you know what? He might have done this in dioxus. I'm actually kind of curious. Let me see. Let's go to full stack. Let's see. Full stack. Server. No, I don't want to see that guy. I just want to see examples. Yeah, because I thought there was like some example where like he changed it so you can like change certain things in the server function, but not that one. but I'm not actually sure. Axum desktop, hello world maybe. But I'm not sure that's even a good idea for me. Oh yeah, response headers. He actually did it though. Shoot, man. This is actually nicer. The server context contains information about the current request and allows you to modify the response. I mean, that's pretty much what I want, right? And now that I like understand how it works, wait, whoa. Get server data, post server data. Wait, where does SC come from? Oh my gosh, he put it in the he put it in the thing. He put it in the Dang it, that's a good idea. That integration though. Yeah, I might just like abandon my backhand one and just use this. I mean, I already changed all the proc macro stuff to SSR. I wonder if this is found now though. Man, am I gonna use this though? Am I gonna use this thing? Yeah, I might actually do this. Because I don't have to make another route, right? I mean, I guess it makes sense though, like to actually do like a regular Ajax request for sign up and login specifically. But I guess like if you just change the response headers, and now that I'm just using a regular set cookie with like very basic stuff, you know, how do I get how do I get the how do I get the database in here again? I forgot. What did I do last time? Let me just make sure I can actually do what I want to do. Because I thought, yeah, let me just make sure I can actually, let me go back to my, what did I do? What did I changed this. Did I actually ever get server functions? I was kind of like caught up on like a bunch of stuff that I didn't need to be caught up on. Um, yeah, this is definitely not it. What was I doing? What was I doing? I can't even remember now. Maybe it was. Maybe there was. Yeah, I forgot. Like, how could I extend this? There is a way, I think. The shared context about the request and middleware state. This allows you to pass data between your server framework and the server. We use to pass request information or information about the state of the server. You can pass authentication to your server functions directly inside components. Instead, use the has server context trait to get the server context from the scope. Um, hmm. Yeah, I think they're. So it gives you the headers, the shared context. But I thought, oh, you know what? In the adapter, I think what I want is in the adapter. I can't just do serve dioxus. I think I have to do, like, I have to split it up into, yeah, like register server functions. And then I think, like, I make this server context here. But yeah, I might have to pass like I might have to pass like yeah, I'm not actually sure how to put the data. I might have to pass the database separately. Yeah, I guess for sign up and login, I'll just do yeah. I'll just do I'll just do a regular Ajax. That's fine. I already have GlueNet anyway, right? I already have GlueNet anyway. So I can't do this. I can't do this anymore. Oh, let me just keep this though. Let me just keep these as like a reminder. I can move these to the to-do probably. Let's see. There we go. Okay. To-do. Sessions. Which I think I already have there. Oops. Okay, let me just delete this. And then I think, oh, I can keep this, I guess. But yeah, let me just do this. We'll just make a route. Sign up, post, sign up. And then we'll just do that. Sign up. Do I need backend state? I can probably rename this back to app state. Although I'll probably rename this back to backend state. Yeah, so for this, I think I might just do like a regular thing, but it's still gonna be Ajax. Because I'm gonna need the database on every single thing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna need cookie again. Type header cookie, typed, oh, that was nice. And then I'm also gonna need, we can just do this for now, I guess, right? Oh, there's no okay needed. Okay. So then we can say this cookie get ID if let sum. Be nice if I could spell sum. Session dot. Okay, we'll just say ID, right? But I'm not checking the session. I'm like setting the cookie. So I think I'm like doing the opposite thing, right? Yeah, I'm just doing like this, right? Impl into response. And then for this, I'm actually looking for body, I guess. JSON struct sign up params. Oh, Darren Baldwin, what's up? What's up? Oh shoot, time's almost up. I'll stay on for like half an hour because it's Friday, you know? It's Friday, so, you know. Yeah, it's going. It's going. Just a laid back Friday. How's it going for you? I'm just checking work to make sure nothing's happening. I guess we ran out of memory this morning, and we had to restart the app. But I didn't do that. They did that. All right. Derive, serialize, deserialize, clone. Do I need clone? I don't need clone. It's fine. Yeah, I need clone. JSON, sign up params, and it's just going to be a username. And then I think what I'm going to do is like, this is like the end, right? Header map. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. So I already have it, right? We'll just call it params. Params.username. So I think what I want to do is say like, I can have the DB in the state, I guess, and like make an extractor for it. Or I can just stick it in one cell and like call DB here. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. Pretty good. Gonna do some more work plus golf this weekend. So excited. Oh man, golf. Golf. Is it Top Golf? Is it Top Golf though? Or just regular golf? I didn't know you're a golfer. I am not a golfer. It's the real guy. Not the completely fake kind. Yeah. Let me see. Headers. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna do like a one cell situation. Actually, how hard is it to make an extractor? How hard is that? Or we'll just use state, right? In the dynamic routes, we'll just set, yeah, we'll just put in app state, right? There we go. PubDB database. Wait, the database is a real thing? I already put that in here? Oh my goodness. That's cool. All right, sweet. Oh, okay, so I just have a bunch of stuff here, but yeah. Pub, insert user, insert account, right? That's pretty cool. So that's already there then, right? So then in string, oh, whoops, a username string, fn, async. It's probably a result, and it's probably an account, and I should probably bring it anyhow, maybe. This is probably like a sqlite error or something, but yeah, I should probably just try this instead. sqlite, or we'll just do, we'll do self, right? Self dot connection dot what do I do again? What is it called? Oh no, I'm doing query. sqlite query as user account. Insert into account. Username. Username and what did I call it? Token. Oh, I just called it name. Migrate. Token name. Okay. Updated at, created at. Values. It is a little query as what do I do again? What is it again? I have no idea. What is query as? Query as fetch one. That's what it is. Okay. So then I can just say returning dot fetch one. Oops. Fetch one. And then you do await. Okay. Self.connection. Await. Okay. And then I need no such table account. That compile time, you know? Okay, expected 4 parameters got 0. Name is going to be username, but we'll just call it name because it's already called name. Oh, I didn't update. Token is a nano ID. We can use it here. Nano ID. Nano ID? Nano ID. Yeah. Should probably not do that. And then token, which is a string, I think. Whatever, it'll catch up eventually. Updated at is now. And then I gotta grab my now from oh, lib. It's in here somewhere. There it is. Oh my gosh. P. I always forget that. Pickleball. Pickle Fleek. Pickle Fleek. With the pickleball. Look, I'm a big pickleball fan, okay? I actually have a constant Unix epoch. Oh, that came from yeah, that came from there, I think. Yeah. Okay. Like, I doubt this is going to be a thing, but you know, it can error, I guess, because it calls the operating system. Okay, let me see. This await. So we can just do that, right? Missing generic argument. So in this one, I actually have app error, right? And then app error actually implements like from, right? Oh. Use models account? Is that where I put it? I did, I put it here. Oh, yeah, this would be so much nicer if everything is in one file. But it's all right. We'll just do this. Oh, this is a mod inside of a mod. There. We'll do models, and then we don't have to do that anymore. There we go. Oh my gosh, do I? I do have to do that, I guess. Never mind. Okay. So then now I should be able to see create models. Yes. Okay. And then nano ID too. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Oh, 21 Givenchy, what's up? What's up? How many files we got now? Are we still rocking the 10K line? Okay, look, this was my thing. This is my compromise, okay, on the single file, all right? My compromise was like, I have, okay, so like, look, I have main, okay? I have lib, right? And then I have the proc macro stuff. But like, that's it, just the two. Just the two, that's it. That's it. Like, so here I have like shared stuff, and then I have back-end stuff, and then I've got front-end stuff, right? And this is only like impls and stuff, because it doesn't really like add a lot to have it in. Oh, I don't need this anymore. I can delete this. Yeah, I can delete this whole thing. There we go. It doesn't like add anything to like keep it in main, you know? But yes, main is long. It's 380 lines and counting. Never compromise. You're good? You? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm probably only gonna be on for like 20 more minutes though, because I gotta get back to work. Um, yeah, don't worry. The main is gonna grow, but like I basically want only stuff that like isn't directly related to 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 the app, right? In lib. So like the database stuff could technically be in main, but I don't know. It's fine. Let me see. Fetch one. What am I doing here? What's wrong with this? Not implemented. What? No such field. Has no such field named ID. Is that true? Is that? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I also each migration is its own file too, but that's SQLX. You know, that's not me. I think it has to be I64, which is like dumb. Name string. Updated. Oop. Updated at is a I64, and created at is also an I64. All right. Yeah. What else? What else? Oh. Oh, I can't put the database in there because I can't clone it, right? Do I need this to be clonable? Oh, okay. Missing structure fields. ODB. Right. This now also needs. Wow, this is a lot. I can't believe I did this. This is horrible. Speaking of things that don't add anything to the thing, let db equals database new. Wait. Didn't I do this already? Didn't I do that somewhere in main? I did. Backend? Oh yeah, right here. Let's go. All right. All right. Let me see. Did I do that? Yeah, what did I do here? Did I start the database up? I did. Right here. DB set. Oh, I have it in one cell already. Or once lock. They call it once lock now. Yeah, I mean, I guess if I'm not going to use it, right? Or I'm only using it here. So I can call DB for the migrations. But honestly, I might just have it local, right? And then I guess like I might just pass app state in to routes, and then I can pass that. Or maybe I'll pass app state into routes instead of making it here. Yeah. Wait, did the music end? Oh, it did. That's sad. All right, let me do this one. Which one was the one that I liked? This one? This one? No. Nostalgic synthwave. Maybe it was this one. Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right. Yeah, maybe I'll just pass app state in here. And then I'll just move that out of here and move that into main. And then DB is here now. And I don't think I actually use env in the once lock either, right? So I think I'll just use this and this. Oh, but I also have once lock because it's not going to like this, right? Yeah, so I actually have to do app state here. And then, because app state is already like reading files and stuff. So I might as well just do everything in there instead of main. So this is for the assets, but I can just change this. Let's say env new. Wait, did it fail? Oh, that was once log. Env database URL. Yep. And then what's this? What's that? Oh, and then new. Oh, new itself is oh wait. All right. Yeah. What? Rock and rolls. Yep. We need that sweet, sweet rock and roll. Yeah, what was I? Yeah. All right. Routes needs app state. It's probably going to complain about ownership and moving probably, but it's moving here, 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 and then there. I guess it's okay with it, right? And then here finally, right? All right. Okay. This is not async. Oof. It should be. It should be. Now that I have the database. Is it going to complain? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Account has no such field token. That is true. It does not have that. That is very true. All right, you got me on that one. What else is broken? Option I64 not satisfied. From option. What is not null? They're all not null. Oh, because I didn't say not null in the primary key. That's obnoxious. That is so that bugs me. All right. Let's so stupid. All right, let's just do this. All right. Then I could I almost can't believe it. All right, so that's pretty much it, right? Remove the whole use item. Oh. Okay. Oh, because of yeah, I need that later. What else is broken? Missing struct fields, DB. Oh, we don't need assets. Oh, we don't need DB. We can just do ... Is it not going to format? Semicolon. Yeah, so this is all like not ready to go. Wow, Bugs Malone. Pickle Fleep. I'm not gonna do that. Like you think I'm about to get like rickrolled right now on my own stream. Like, are you serious? Like, what? Play this instead? You know it's rickroll though. Like you know what it is. I already know what it is. It's not good. Here, let me turn this down a little bit. There we go. Yeah, no, I'm not going to click that. In fact, I'll click it off stream. I'll click it off stream and then we'll see what it is. What the frick is this? Vitus 7th Element 2002? I don't want to see. No, dude. Fast forward to 50 seconds. Yeah, like, I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to do this. No. Like, I'm not going to listen to that. This is much better. Whatever we're listening to now is much, much better. Pickle Fleek, no. No. It's super bad. Did you click on it? Did you click on it? All right, let me see this stupid thing. Let me open it up over here. Let me see it. Oh my gosh, it's so loud in my headphones. Are you serious? Dude, what? Okay. You have bad taste in music, not safe for work. Let me see. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I have an ad. Disrespectful. No, all I see is ads right now. Off stream, all I see is ads. Let me see. What is this? Fast forward to 57. Oh my gosh, it's that Russian thing. No, I'm not gonna. No, we're not gonna watch that. You gotta Pickle Fleek. You gotta come with a. You gotta come with a real link, like a useful link, and then bad 7 years, and then did you make it yourself? And then I'll click your links, okay? And then I'll click your links. What is this? No method migrate found for DB. Oh, really? In the current scope? Oh, because it's app state DB. App state. Okay, now it's probably going to complain about moves, right? DB available on type. This is async await, right? There we go. What else is broken? What else? Okay, so the trait bound clone is not satisfied for app state. Oh no. Oh no, I do need clone. I do need clone, which means I can't I can't send the I wonder what people do. I wonder what people do. Do they put the database in the app state? Because there's no way, right? I mean, I guess I can try it. Derive clone. Database clone. But SQLite pool does not implement clone, right? What is this now? Is not satisfied. The trait bound is not satisfied. Okay. Cool, I guess. I don't know. Is it not satisfied? The trait? What if I just do this? Wait, what's the problem? Expected type found. Oh, okay. We can get rid of this for now. The trait bound typed header cookie. It doesn't like the fact that this should probably come first, right? Because that's the body, right? That's probably what it was complaining about. Let's see. Okay. This is looking a little better. All right, so let's do cargo SSR. What did I call it? Is it called what? Oh my gosh, I really gotta stop changing this. I would have like 10. Yes, that's me, my duck. What's sing now? Let me see. Cargo SSR. Cargo SSR. Cargo SSR. No, I don't. Oh, I need to actually do it though. No default features. Features SSR. Migrate. Rollback. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm in the wrong folder. That's probably why I didn't like that. Do I know Ice JJ Fish? I will look it up off off stream. Oh my gosh, what? Oh, did my keyboard not come over to this? What? Oh. Ice JJ Fish. What the heck? I do not know this person. I don't know who this is. I've never heard of that. I guess he makes music or something on the floor. I don't. What is this? Okay, let me see. Yep. Yep. Okay, so did it work? All right. Did it work? Schema. It worked. It worked. Okay, let me change this real quick. I think I might have already done this though, right? But it's not going to make a difference. On the production one, oh, until sqlx tries to compile, and then it's going to make a difference. I'll just fix it. I'll just fix it later. Legend 1010. He's a rapper. Error returned from database. Oh my gosh, I broke it somehow. Oh my gosh, I added a comma. All right. We'll just double check. Schema. There it is. Okay. So now, finally, we can go back to insert account, and we could undo this to do, and we can do this, and then we can have that, but then this will actually pick it up, and I could do this. Maybe. Okay. We can just do that. And then this is expected enum sqlx error. Okay, because app error doesn't implement sqlx error, I'm guessing. Yeah, I might need to do this. From sqlx error. Okay. So did it do it? Found enum result, app error. Can I do like map error? E? We'll just say app error from. Do I have that? No. Database insert E. Does that work? Okay. The trait bound pool executor is not satisfied. The trait executor for pool sqlite. Didn't I do that though? In my other thing? Oh, here though, right? I need to do like a mutable or something, or a reference. Oh no, it's not found in scope. One thing at a time, I guess. I need to borrow. That's it. Temporary. Oh, okay. Let now equals self. Now. Okay. All right. Ice JJ play on stream. He's talented. Most hits in my town. All right, fine. Fine. I have 7 minutes. You guys win. Okay. You guys win. We'll play it. $88 million views. What? Is this like the new Rickroll? This is the stupidest thing. Now I'm not even sure. Like, he has almost 1 million subscribers, right? So I'm not sure what that says about me. Okay. All right. All right. I mean, is this all he does, or like, did he actually get better? Or maybe this is like the whole thing. Dude's a legend. Oh my gosh. That was terrible. Um Dude, what the heck? All right. All right, you guys got me. Team up. It's a team. It's a team effort, Account is private. Dude, are you serious? How many errors can I How is it private? How is it private? Do I need to make this public? Pub? Like what? How many freaking errors can I have? How many compiler errors? Okay, I think we're okay now. I think we're okay now. Cargo FS. All right. All right, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Okay. I had to make them all, I had to make all the fields public. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right, let me see. Trying to separate things, Separating things, it makes things it makes things worse. Sign up. Okay. So now that I have state, app state, right? We can just say SX, right? State, app state. Should probably not call it app state. I should probably call it something else. Next.db dot insert account params dot username await if let okay account dot okay, so now we can do this, right? So I guess the cookie can, I guess I could just make like, I don't know what I want to do. Do I really want to tie it to an account? I don't know. Like that was a weird thing that they did. I thought that was really weird. So here equals maybe. Okay. Keep going. No, he is worse. Surprise. Let me see. Account dot to I actually need a session, right? So I guess like I should make the session first before the account, right? I mean, both of them won't fail, so it'll be all right. All right, so now I need to migrate. Okay, we'll just do to do, right? And we'll say to do here. We'll just have multiple to dos. Okay. All right. Cargo sqlite migrate add r create sessions. All right. Create sessions up. How long have I been? Oh my gosh, I have 2 minutes. Create table if not exist sessions. Whoops. Oh, too much rust. Sessions down. Drop table sessions. All right. ID int not null. Primary key. I actually wonder about that int versus integer. I wonder if it'll actually do the thing. I wonder if it'll actually auto increment. Created at not null, int not null. Updated at this has a, it has a token. Everything's a token, right? Text not null, primary key. Oh, it's not primary key, but it is. I do need a unique index. Create create unique index. Session token. What is the stupid what is it? Documentation. Can I search? Create index. Ooh, that's good. That's nice. I can't believe I use Google for all this stuff. Create unique index. If not exists, schema name. Oh, I need to actually drop that on the way. Create sessions down. Okay. Drop index. Oh, I need an index on accounts too, actually. Shoot. Yeah, I need that. Drop index sessions token. Okay, so name on. That's what it is. On sessions token. And it could be like a bunch of columns, right? Okay. All right. That's it, because I don't need this where, right? Okay. Yeah. If not exists. Create unique index. If not exists. You know, why not? Okay. So then, yeah, I actually need this in accounts too. Dude, this is my biggest slowdown, I think, is like trying to do this stuff. What's broken? Nothing? All right. Okay, so in create accounts up, right, I actually need create unique index if not exists. Accounts name on accounts name. Okay, and then I think token should be unique too, like the login token. It's just called token. Oh my goodness. All right. I hate that actually. Let's be more specific. And I actually hate the word token now that I'm thinking about it. I almost want to call it ID, right? Identifier. There we go. There we go. We'll call it identifier. All right. Create accounts. What time is it? Oh my goodness. My time is up. My time is up. Yeah, let me do this though. This is going to be login code. Accounts login code. And then create accounts down. Drop table accounts. Drop table or drop index. What's like a drop index actually? Documentation. Oh, we can just search here. Drop index. Oh, so quick. So quick. If exists. I guess we can do that. If exists, accounts, name. Accounts. What? Break. What is it? What is it? Accounts what? What did I call it? Login code? Create accounts? Login code. Yes. Okay. All right. So let me, I'm just gonna delete the stupid thing. We're just gonna delete it. Yeah, there you go. And then we're just gonna say, we're just delete all of them actually. Oh, that's it. Okay, good. I wonder if migrate will work. Because before run, like it says it works, right? But it doesn't even make the database. That's so weird. I wonder why. I wonder why it doesn't work. That's really annoying. Local bin cargo SSR. Okay. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. Let me just run this. All right. All right, I gotta get out of here. That's it. I gotta get back to work. All right, I won't